Bin-bow machinery, SCT1400 model roll sheeter machine, installation, debug, run in customer site. Place host machine and unwinder stand. Tools, 3 5 tons forklift, manual trolley, crowbar. Machine level measuring. Gradient accuracy should up to 0.02 millimeters. Adjust anchor screws to make machine level, slightly adjust according level measuring result. Connect host machine and unwinder stand. The corridor is used to connect to parts. Install label inserter. Automatic insert label for marking sheets quantity. Install EPC system sensor. EPC system automatic detect and adjust web edge position. Adjust slitting knives. Cut web into 2 sheets at same time. Connect air pipe, power cable, aviation plug. Detection voltage. How to load mother roll in unwinder stand. Shaftless type can easy pick up rolls. Threading paper web. Operate according to the threading pathway drawings. Adjust printing marks tracking sensor. Improve the cutting precision for printed material.